What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing a custom hat. So I got this hat right here, brand new, and we are going to be customizing it. We are going to be turning it from this old plain, I wouldn't say old, this plain hat into a nice customized hat. Customized by C-Mac. Seen like this spiderweb design on top of the hat. Like it's like right here and it goes down the whole entire hat. And I wanted to give it a try. That's what we're gonna do today. Let's get it. So I went to Walmart. I picked up some needles and some thread. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna thread my needle and then I'm gonna show you guys the layout that I want or how I'm gonna stitch the hat. So let's get into it. So I'm simply gonna start off by threading my needle. Basically all I did was put the thread into the needle and then tied a simple knot. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my needle and my hat. I'm gonna start at underneath and start from the top by just poking my needle. And I'm gonna pull out a good amount. It's okay if it's excessive. Good amount. I'm gonna cut underneath. I'm gonna take this and I'm going to tie a good knot on the inside. Probably double knot it. Maybe even triple knot. Cut off this little access to the knot. So boom, we should then be able to pull our thread and that thread should not come through. Now, basically what we're going to do is take this and go all the way down. I don't know exactly what kind of stitch that it's called, but we're going to now go in. I don't know if I got the wrong needle or what, y'all, but this is like super hard to get in. Something like that. And then we are going to pull this back in like this. We're gonna do this all the way down. And we're gonna keep going this whole side stitch here, all the way down. When you get to the bottom, we are going to cut this access and then tie a double knot again. Boom. And our first line will look like this. Bear with me, y'all. It's gonna look cold. So we are going to do it to all the other seams that's on here. So boom, 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 boom. And then I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do next. Thought I was recording the whole clip and didn't record the clip, so oh my god. Anyways, we got to the thread all kind of done. We could leave the hat like this, how it is, and wear it like that, but I want to be extra. I want to be extra and add that stripe or the spider thing. So I took a colored pencil, just this white colored pencil, and traced out my next line. I'm going to use, and then I'm going to go down and do that like 3 times. So like this web here, I'm also going to make like a line here and then a line here, going all the way around the hat. So let's get it, let's go. Yeah, so we got the final product. Well, before we got the final product, I'm done hand stitching everything. I got this like pin that I want to put on the hat. It says "Girls Heart My Swag," and I want to put this onto the hat as well. Well, let me just show y'all. Boom. Let me know what you guys think of the design. It's kind of like, should I put like another line down? Like, I ain't want to do too much down here. That's why I was like, let me just put this pin on here. Yeah, this is with the pin. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, this sharp. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Share with your friends and your family. Stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. This shit that you just put out, you could've kept.